Now you're welcome once again to the 7th video of the third part, which is the advanced level of my advanced Excel tutorial. Now on this video we are going to look at another what if analysis tool, which is called the GoalSeek. Now the GoalSeek helps you to find an input that will help you to achieve an output. For example, you have this problem, ABC has a problem, they need to collect a loan from the bank but do not know how much they require in view of what they can pay. However, they observe that they can pay 50,000 naira monthly. The current interest rate is 22% per annum and they expect the loan to be paid over a 60-month period. How much should they collect to be able to meet this repayment objective? So what you need to do is to use the PMT function to calculate a blank, this is a base, we don't know the loan, this is the unexpected, the input we are looking for that will help us to achieve an output. So what I will do, because I have named this range, that is why you are seeing these functions. I can delete the names from formulas so that you can see the formulas here. I can delete the names in the formulas. Okay, now I've deleted the names. So what I need to do is to use the PMT function. Let me use the PMT function, and the rate is 22% monthly divided by 12. The number of period is 60 months. The present value, which is a loan, I don't know. Then the future value is 0 and the type is at the end of the period. You make these base calculations. Now, this is the base calculation. Now, what you need to do, we are looking for the loan that you are going to collect that will help us to achieve a 50,000 naira monthly payment. So I go to data and say what if analysis, that is GoalSeek. Now set cell. Before, what cell am I setting? Is my objective. Is my objective. The set cell is my objective. My objective is to pay 50,000 naira every month, and I need to set the cell which is in B4. I need to set the cell to my objective 50,000, and the changing cell is the unknown value you are looking for. So when you run this, Excel will iterate and automatically tell you the amount of loan you have to collect to be able to meet this repayment plan. So now look at this second question. So what is the maximum amount we should pay per liter if we must make a profit of 3.6 million naira? Now this is the we should pay. Okay, let's assume that I have selling price. I don't know the cost of this petroleum product. This is the amount it is being sold in the market, and I want to sell 500,000 liters. Now, what amount should I buy this petroleum product that will help me to achieve this profit target? So all I need to do, I need to make a base calculation for profit, which is equal to the selling price minus the cost price, I don't know, will give you the profit per unit, and then you multiply by the quantity to give you a base profit, which you don't know. Then how much are we going to sell? Are we going to buy this product? What is the maximum amount we must buy this product for us to meet our profit objective if we want to sell this quantity? So all I need to do, I go to the what if analysis tool and I say GoalSeek. Now the cell I want to set is my objective, where that is the cell I want to set is the profit. The profit is my objective. I need to set that target profit to 3.6 million. Now the changing cell is the unknown variable that we are looking for. The unknown, the cost we should buy the petroleum product to make that profit. So when you say, okay, the system will iterate and tell you that this is the amount you should buy the product, the maximum amount you should pay for the product to make this profit. Now let's go to another problem here. Now I have a costing template. I have a bank facility for 30 days. And the question now is, what is the maximum amount to pay for operational expenses to maintain a landing cost of 105,000? Where is my landing cost? This is my landing cost. Now the product cost is 90,000, operation, which is, and this is the quantity, the total cost, which is a function of B4, which is the quantity, that's the quantity times B15. B15 is a quantity to sell. This is a quantity to sell, and this is the price, the cost. This is the cost. Okay. Now the operational cost is the quantity to sell times what you have here. I don't know what the operational cost should be, but I want to maintain a target that I don't want us to spend more than this on operational cost. So the warehousing cost is 200 multiplied by the quantity to sell, and then the interest rate is already calculated using this formula, and this total interest. Then the landing cost, this is just a base landing cost. Now the landing cost is what I'm looking for. So I come to what if analysis and say goal seek. Now what I'm looking for, my target is the landing cost. What I'm looking for, I want to set this cell to be 105. So what's the maximum amount to pay for operational expenses to maintain a landing cost to 105? So this is my landing cost. The set cell, the objective is, this is my objective, and I want to set it to 105. I want to maintain a landing cost of 105, and this is the market price. So the changing cell is the unknown value of what I'm looking for, the operational expenses. So when you run this, it will iterate and tell you that you should pay for operational expenses. You shouldn't pay more than this for operational expenses to be able to meet your landing cost. So this is how the goal seek command works. It helps you to look at the inputs to be able to achieve an objective. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for listening.